Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just go to search bar and type your control panel and then click on the search results. So in the view by, we have to select the large icons. Now select internet options. Once we are here, we need to click on the connections tab, then click on LAN settings and make sure you have to uncheck this option. Then click on OK, close this window, close all windows one by one, and in the next method just go to search bar, type view network connection. So from the search results, click here to open it. Once you are here, you need to right click on your internet connection, select properties, go for internet protocol version 4, select it and click on properties. Now make sure you have to select the IP address automatically option, and for the DNS server select this one. Click on OK, close all windows one by one and restart the system. Your problem will be solved. Make sure you can check out the pinned comment to fix this issue quickly, and don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.